Move to improve. That's our drive. Better fabrics, smarter processes, fairer practices. Lanxi. In Control Industry Trade Co. Limited was founded in 2015, adhering to the attitude customer first, artisan excellent. We rank among China's premium apparel manufacturer, located in China's cotton hub. 100% invested by Zhejiang SERAND-MIDO I and Eco Limited. We specialized in high-quality streetwear, athletic wear, with more than 380 workers, over 15+ years expertise, 20,000 square meters modern factory verified, 1,000 square meters R&D center. We attached great importance to team building and collaboration with a well-established internal customer operation framework and have earned universal recognition with 100,000+ monthly capacity. In Control empowers global brands with speed to market agility through scalable, full package production from concept to delivery. Our strength, reliable quality control, BSCIGRS, GOTSWRAP, Costco QIMAWM certified, ethical and sustainable commitment, precision monitoring, 10-person dedicated QC team, material inspection, production checks, final packaging, real-time issue, resolution protocols. Your trust, our promise, quality garments, on-time delivery, zero compromise. Welcome to In Control for further negotiation.